you're right here now at itsmontez.com. Make sure you come over to the channel, click this here, and you're going to get right inside of my channel. You come over here and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Be sure to click the bell. I've got lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of content on side of my YouTube, itsmontez.com. You can go inside, click the videos, and you can just have yourself a look. I create content all day. Content creation is one of my favorite things to do. So you just scroll through here, find yourself a video, watch it, and you're going to get lots of advice, lots of motivation, lots of input to help you get through your life, whatever it is. Come over to my personal page. It's my daughter's birthday. Follow me here on my personal site, Montez McCamish. Come over to itsmontez.com. It's also got its own Facebook. Come over here, join the group, and this is where you can see a whole lot of my uploads if you're not really subscribed or catching on to the bell. I have my own personal group right here. You can post your content inside this group, and other people will see it. Make sure you come and add some people to the group. Add some people. Add your friends so they can be sure to see what it is that you're pressing up as well. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's Montez McCamish from itsmontez.com. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you don't do that, you can't keep up. Without further ado, on to the show. I mean, so like again, like if you sit back and you heard just what Northstar America was saying, he's saying so like he's going through and watching what other people are doing, going and researching what happens after you find something out is you go and you research it. Now, when you're going through this researching process, you have a lot of different situations to where you can advance from it. If you go and you do research on something, and let's just say you get content and you do find some content, and it's not that good, it doesn't explain such a well. And you being a creator, and all right, so here's your chance now. You're looking at how can I create value? How can I put value out there? Okay.
Right.
So you're going out and you're looking on some type of situation and you want to find out more information of the situation that you're looking at. Either A, you don't find any content at all. B, you find content and it just totally sucks and it doesn't help you. Or C, it's
find a lot of that
stuff out there. Now, if there's A or B, you need to make sure you do C. Make the best stuff out there. Go create something against everything else that's out there, because who knows if it's not appealing to you and you can create something that's appealing to you, there's a lot of people that are going to think the same way that you think. And so,
exactly, yes, that's true. Like-minded people, that's right.
You know, so if you create that content and you put it out there, then your like-minded people are going to come watch your video and look what you have just done. You put value out into the world. So when you start finding, or you're trying to find your situation, or you're looking to find out a situation and you can't find it out the best, maybe you should create some situation. Maybe you should make a situation. Then you become the situation. So now there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's value for you. I'm happy you said that. Do you want to add anything on that?
That's powerful, actually, how you put that together, man. You know, you become the situation practically, you know.
It's Montez McCamish from itsmontez.com. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to keep up. Duh. So you can now follow me on Snapchat. All you got to do is scan this code right here, and you can follow me exclusively on my Snapchat and see what I'm up to daily.